In today's fast-paced and visually driven world, design has become an integral part of nearly every aspect of our lives, from websites and advertisements to product packaging and marketing materials. But not everyone has the skills or the budget to hire a professional designer. You could also be a designer that wants to find more efficient ways to create your designs. That's where these free design resources that I'll be talking about in this video come in. We'll be exploring some of the best and most comprehensive free design resources available online, so you can step up your design game and create stunning designs with ease. The first resource I have for you all is called Palatin. Choosing a great color scheme can really make or break a design. Palatin can help you choose aesthetic color schemes. If you find a color that you like in whatever design software you're using, you can just copy the hex number and paste it into the site, and it will generate a color scheme for you. You can also adjust the sliders on the site yourself and change what type of color scheme you want, like monochromatic or tetradic, for example. This next resource is called Who Can Use. After you have a great color scheme picked out, you can see how legible the text would be in your design, depending on what color you want to use. Ideally, you'd want to have a lot of contrast in relation to the background color and text color, so your design can be more legible to a wider audience, including those who are colorblind, for example. If you're familiar with UI or UX design, you know how important inclusive design is, as well as designing for accessibility. So this site might be worth bookmarking for future use. If you find yourself designing any advertisements but struggle when you need to write copy for those advertisements, you can check out Copyai. While I probably wouldn't recommend this site for headlines or slogans, as it likely won't give you very unique or creative phrases, it's perfect for body copy on designs and social media posts, for example. You can even use it to create captions for your posts as well. If you need royalty-free pictures for your designs, I definitely recommend using Unsplash. There's tons of great free high-quality images that you can use for personal or commercial use. The site has categories like nature, street photography, or textures if you'd like to browse through to find something you like, or there's also a search feature if you'd like to get more specific with your choice of stock photos. This next resource is called Font Desk. Having a font that complements your design is crucial, and with Font Desk, you can not only download tons of free fonts, but even see some inspiration as to how you can use them in your design before you download them. This site is one of my favorites, and I definitely recommend checking this one out. This next one is called Alien Valley. It has lots of product mockups that are free to use. This is great if you enjoy doing product design or simply need it for a one-off project, as it allows you to see what your design would actually look like on a 3D object. If you need any logos from any big brands, Vectorwiki has pretty much all of them. You can search from hundreds of vector logos that you can easily edit in Adobe Illustrator, or just use as unedited high-quality renders of the logos. I can see this being useful if you want to do something like logo redesigns. If you're someone who enjoys using gradients in their designs, Mesh Gradient can help you streamline the process of creating those gradients. You can input all the colors you want to include in the gradient and then alter it to your liking. Gradients are a great way to add some flair to your designs, so I definitely recommend bookmarking this site for later use. Finding inspiration before starting a design is a crucial part of the design process. This next website helps you organize your ideas for projects into visual boards. You can use notes, images, links, and files to help you map out certain ideas that you want your design to include. This is a great way of helping yourself remember everything that you want your design to have. So I'll include two resources in this last part because both sites are fairly similar. If you need to beef up your design portfolio or just want some more practice creating work from a brief, a great way to do this would be with some mock client sites like Good Brief or Fake Clients. They provide you with a fictional client and creative brief, and you can craft a design or campaign around the brief that they've provided to you. This could be especially useful if you're just starting out in design and don't have many pieces of work in your portfolio. And those are all the design resources I have for you today. Be sure to check back for more tips on design, video editing, and creativity, and be sure to subscribe if these topics interest you. Happy designing, and I'll catch you all in the next video.